Amid rising geopolitical tensions, US President Donald Trump has issued a strong warning to Iran, indicating that the United States could resort to military action if ongoing negotiations fail. His remarks come at a crucial time as diplomatic efforts are underway to ease tensions surrounding Iran's nuclear program and broader regional security concerns. Trump made it clear that while the United States remains engaged in talks, it is also prepared for escalation if required. Emphasizing military strength, he stated that the US possesses highly advanced weaponry and is ready to use it if diplomacy does not yield results. The statement reflects a strategy that combines negotiation with a clear show of force. The ongoing discussions are aimed at addressing key issues, including nuclear compliance, regional influence, and security in vital maritime routes. However, both sides continue to hold firm positions, making the path to a breakthrough uncertain. Iran is expected to push for sanctions relief and security assurances, while the US is seeking stricter commitments. Trump's warning has added to global concerns about a potential escalation in the Middle East. Any military confrontation between the two nations could have far-reaching consequences, particularly for global energy markets, as the region plays a critical role in oil supply and international trade routes. Experts caution that even the threat of conflict can impact oil prices, financial markets, and regional stability. With tensions already high, the outcome of the ongoing talks will be closely watched by the international community. As diplomacy continues, the situation remains delicate. The coming days are likely to be decisive in determining whether both sides can find common ground or whether the crisis could escalate into a larger conflict.